Hi guys, how are you today? I am doing my monthly fridge clean out. So I'm starting with my freezer and I thought I would show you what I do. So I'll start off with what I'm using. I just use like an all-purpose like cleaner. This isn't what's in here. I just used the container. That was the Ever Spring all-purpose cleaner in citrus and basil from Target. But I actually, let me just hop down here under my counter, ended up buying this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. What flavor is this one in? Peony. So this is just the multi-surface concentrate. You can see that there. And so obviously I didn't use that much in there, and then I just filled the rest of that bottle up with water, and this was like less than 10 bucks. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys there. And that lasts me like maybe 2 or 3 weeks, that little bit there, because I clean my counters a lot. I also use it like on my floors to like spot clean, or like faux mop if I use like sometimes I'll just get like a rag and use that on my Swiffer and spray the ground and sweep it up that way after I've swept, just to kind of get it all off. I do clean my floors quite a bit, so anyway, that's what I use. And then let me show you just a bit. I've been trying to finish up everything in my freezer. Got frozen bread. I just took everything out there, and I'm gonna take these out as well, and I'm gonna just wipe it down, and then I'll put everything back, and then do the same thing in here with my fridge, including like the drawers and stuff. So I'll just film all that for you guys. Toss this into the microwave to heat it up a little bit, because I didn't think about this, but when you spray something into a freezer, it freezes the like liquid. So I need to do that. I'm just gonna finish wiping it down. I popped it in a few times just in case. Yeah, because then it got all like icy onto it. Fine. You can also just rinse it off. Spray a little on paper. I like to clean like the edges and sides too. Collect that sometimes. Pop this in the microwave one more time, and then I'll put everything back. As a side note, I only do it for like 5 to 10 seconds. I'll put it in there too. I also like to do top to bottom, just in case there are crumbs and stuff, so that they're able to filter out. And then you can wipe it all out. gives you a chance to like fill in, organize, what's all in there, which I think is important. Fridges and freezers are those things that like you just end up piling a bunch of stuff. Don't really know what's in there if you don't check it. Alright, and down to the fridge. So thanks for watching, and hopefully it gave you something kitchen, or you were able to do some cleaning with me in the background while you watch this. And until next time, see you next month.